Hello everybody, Steve here, and we have another master lock from our collection, and this is a bigger one, even bigger. This is one of the biggest ones we have on this table, and this is a master lock M15. See that on the bottom? There's the keyway. Nice good sized lock. Definitely a lot more heft than the little ones, but here is the key and the bitting, and it is a 5-pin lock. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins. Not a very bad bitting on that key. Pretty nice. Anyway, so fumbling with the keys. There we go. The keys do work. Very nice heavy snap there. So let's see. Should we zoom in? Yeah, let's zoom in. This one I can pretty much rest this on the table and not have to worry. Got lots of. And then we'll do, of course, our favorite Z-wrench in the bottom of the keyway, and we'll do the Jimmy Long's short hook with the flat tip. And I think, if I remember right, we started number 1, if I remember right. So let's try that first of all. Pin 1, kind of moderate tension. Pin 1, pin 2, there's something there, kind of felt like a little bit of a click. Pin 3, there's a nice click. Pin 4, pin 5, go back through there. Pin 5, definitely feel set. Pin 4, feel set. Pin 3, pin 2, and pin 1. Maybe that's the one holding us up. Let's see. Let's kind of go through these again. Something's not quite right. There's a nice click. I think that was pin 2. Okay, let's see. Again, try pin 4, I think. Keep losing my place. And I keep talking really quiet as I'm concentrating. Sorry about that. I'm not getting anywhere, so let's reset this and let's try from the back working forward. So pin 5, where are you? There we are. Pin 5. Nice click there. Pin 4. Nice little click there. 3. There we go. Got it. Had to hold the lock up in order for the shackle to come open. It really didn't take too much. Work from the back going forward was a lot easier than working from the front. So there we go. That's a master lock M15 and there we go. That's a nice, I like that lock. It's a nice lock. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and make sure you leave comments down below, and definitely leave a like and thumbs up, and definitely subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good day.